Hello interwebs, welcome to Adamant IT. Very quick channel update that I'll try and keep as brief as I can. This isn't this weekend's video, I'm just putting this video out there because I feel like I should, basically. Many of you have probably heard of the big hoo-ha over YouTube mid-rolls going on at the moment. And I basically just wanted to put this video out just as a quick heads up of what I am doing with regards to this. So firstly, for those of you who don't know, mid-roll ads are the ones that appear in the middle of a video rather than at the beginning or the end. And I have mid-roll ads turned off on all of my videos because I'm not a fan of mid-rolls because I think they're disruptive and interrupt the flow of things. However, YouTube has made a change to their advertising that kicks in at the end of the month, whereby firstly you can put mid-rolls into shorter videos, so 8 minutes long instead of 10 minutes long. Not that that would affect me anyway, but more importantly, YouTube will be automatically switching on mid-rolls for all monetized videos unless the channel has opted out. So if I did nothing, then all of my previous videos would suddenly have mid-rolls switched on without me having turned them on. And that's why a lot of people are quite annoyed at YouTube right now. However, I have opted out. I've said, no, I don't want that. So the mid-rolls will not be appearing on my videos. However, with that in mind, I also want to just give you guys a heads up of what might happen in the future. Now, at the moment, if I do nothing, then theoretically, my YouTube revenue should stay the same, right? That's what we would expect. YouTube is saying, oh, if you switch this on, you'll get more revenue. Your revenue will go up. However, I'm not interested in that right now. I'll take the current revenue with no mid-roll ads. That's what I would like to do. However, some are speculating, and this is just tinfoil hat conspiracy theories, but some are speculating that the channels that do not take the mid-roll ads will see their revenue go down because they're not advertising in the way that YouTube wants them to. Now, there's no basis for this right now that I have seen anyway. We don't know if that will actually happen or not. But past experience with the way that YouTube treats creators leads us to believe that it might happen. And if that happens, I might see my revenue take a steep decline because I have refused to turn on those mid-rolls. And that would jeopardize the opportunity of expansion that I currently have at hand. If my revenue stays the same or, continues with the channel growth, then later on this year, I could be expanding my business, which would be enormous for me. However, if we see YouTube punish the people who didn't turn on the mid-roll ads, then that opportunity would be lost to me. And so what I am doing at the moment is right now, I'm opting out, I'm leaving the mid-rolls turned off. However, if I see my YouTube revenue massively decline as a result of that, I will find myself forced to turn them on in order to maintain this opportunity of expansion. So I hope you guys will be understanding of that. I don't want to turn on mid-roll ads, and if I can, I will avoid it. However, if I have to choose between no mid-roll ads and expanding my business, I'm likely to expand my business. So I'm just giving you a heads up of that. Hopefully it won't come to that, but I just want to let you know that I am leaving it on the table. But for now, I have opted out. I don't want mid-roll ads. I will leave them off for as long as I'm able to. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye for now.